What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and to this quick review of Acoustica 7.3, the update to Acon Digital's amazing plugin suite. This update has quite a few things going for it. One cool addition is the sensitivity knob on the remix tool, but today I actually want to cover two modules that come with it, with the premium version, so that's one thing you need to consider. The DeRustle and the DeWind modules, and I have some simple examples set up, and they're as simple as the interface of these new modules. And as you can see, you only have like 3 knobs. You have the sensitivity knob, maximum attenuation, you have a solo noise button, and as with the other modules from this set, you have these 3 different sensitivity filters. You have a low shelf, a bell, and a high shelf, and the cues are continuous, which is quite cool. You can do a lot of surgical cuts and boosts with these, but today I just want to see what these sound like on the default preset. So I have some examples set up here. This is a recording of my voice with some rustling in the background. As you can see, it's not the best recording out there, but let's have a listen to what this plugin does. This is a recording of my voice with some rustling in the background. So let's have a listen to a before and after. This is a recording of my voice with some rustling in the background. This is a recording of my voice with some rustling in the background. There's still a bit left there, but it's much better than before. Let's solo the noise and see what we're actually taking out. You're taking out a lot of junk, and it's not really affecting any of the vocal stuff, the tonal elements of this, which is amazing. I have another example that's a bit more extreme. Let's see how it deals with that one. This is another recording of my voice with even more rustling. This is another recording of my voice with even more rustling. So you can hear the artifacts in between me talking, but still have a listen to the original. This is another recording of my voice with even more rustling. And after. This is another recording of my voice with even more rustling. The whole concept behind this stuff is, of course, it's close to impossible to get rid of all of the unwanted noises, but the more you can trim and the least audible artifacts you can get, the better it is. And a plugin like DeRustle kind of does the job. And let's listen to what noise it's actually picking up. So again, it's only junk. Let's move on to DeWind, and this one's actually really exciting. I'm not working in film, so obviously I'm not in the position to record stuff outside and have to deal with weather conditions, but still, you'd be surprised how bad some of the vocal recordings that I get are. Not as bad as this, but still, this has potential even for vocal production in music rather than in film. So let's have a listen to the original. This is a recording with some wind in the background. It is pretty bad. Let's have a listen to what DeWind does. This is a recording with some wind in the background. I love this. This is my favorite one out of the more recent ones that they put out, although dialogue extract is amazing. Just have a listen to the difference. This is a recording with some wind in the background. This is a recording with some wind in the background. I mean, that's usable now. Let's listen to the noise. So you can hear that there's some rustling going on in the background in the low end. So maybe let's make it a bit less sensitive here. Although I do know that that's kind of a huge portion of where the wind sound is. But let's see what this does. This is a recording with some wind in the background. Maybe let's use this to kind of fine tune it and pinpoint a specific region. It's kind of the boxy part of the vocal, so it's not necessarily something you'd keep anyway, but still. Okay, more like it. Let's have a listen. This is a recording with some wind in the background. And again, it's just so you get as clean a sound as possible. But anyway, this is just the default preset. I haven't touched the sensitivity. I haven't touched the maximum attenuation. Obviously, this is maxed out in terms of attenuation. You get minus 60 dBs. You can obviously be a bit more sensible with it, and the sensitivity as well. If you don't want to catch too much of it, the least amount that you use, the less artifacts you'll hear, but obviously the more noise you'll have in your sound. But these two modules are part of Acon Digital's Acoustica 7.3 update. It literally just came out, and I've already fallen in love with these modules. This is such an amazing company, and they haven't paid me to say any of this stuff. I just love their products, and yeah, check them out. You will not regret it. And I see in the comments that a lot of people are comparing this to Isotope's suite, but take into account that the premium version of Acoustica, which gives you all of these different modules, is literally 8 times less expensive as the premium Isotope RX. So I don't know, you do the math. Definitely check them out. You get free demos. And yeah, good luck with taking crap out of your audio.